Adaptive Cruise Control with Low Speed Follow, or ACC, is part of Honda Sensing, our intelligent suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies. ACC maintains a set following interval behind detected vehicles. It can even bring the vehicle to a stop and resume following again. ACC uses a windshield-mounted camera to gauge the distance of a detected vehicle ahead. ACC then sets the appropriate throttle position and can even apply braking to maintain a preferred following interval. To start the system, press the ACC button on the steering wheel. A white ACC icon will appear in the instrument cluster. Press either side of the Res Plus Set Minus button to set the cruise speed. If your current speed is below or at 40 km per hour, the speed will be set to 40 km per hour. If you press the button above 40 km per hour, the cruise speed will be set to the current speed. In either case, the ACC icon will turn to green. In addition, a vehicle icon, interval bars, and the set speed appear in the instrument cluster. If no vehicle is detected ahead, the vehicle icon will appear as an outline or not appear at all. When a vehicle is detected ahead, the vehicle icon will appear or fill in. If the vehicle detected ahead stops, your vehicle will slow and stop as well. A stopped message will appear in the instrument cluster. When the vehicle detected ahead resumes or departs from in front of you, the vehicle icon will start blinking. Press the Res Plus Set Minus button or the accelerator to resume operating up to the prior set speed. To increase or decrease your speed in 1 km per hour increments, press the Res Plus Set Minus button briefly up or down. To increase or decrease your speed by about 5 km per hour increments, press and hold the button. To change the following interval, repeatedly press the interval button. It will cycle through the choices. To cancel ACC, do any of the following. Step on the brake pedal or press the cancel button. The ACC icon will turn from green to white. Or press the ACC button to turn the system off altogether. The ACC icon will disappear. To switch from ACC with low speed follow to conventional cruise control, press and hold the interval button for 1 second. To switch back, follow the same step. For more details on this feature, see your owner's manual. And to learn more about other features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.